Okay, and I've just got some green fondant here, and I have these Holly Plunger cutters. It's a set, and they come in, there's different sizes. There's actually a small set and a large set. This is part of the larger set here. I'm going to use the largest leaf that I have. I'm going to push down. That's what will give me the veining, like so. Then I'm going to bring it over here, and this is some holly green luster dust. Luster dust is has a sheen to it. Where's petal dust or matte dusting powders. Then I'm also going to take a tiny bit of gold. This is old gold. And put a little gold on there also. Okay, so to attach this, I'll take a little water, bring it over here, and I'll do one piece right here. Give it a little movement. When I say movement, is just don't lay it completely flat. You want to curve it a little bit, like so. Then we'll add a few more pieces. So make sure you get a nice cut, push down. Okay, again here, make sure you can get a nice cut, push down here, pop it out, and it has the veining on it. And I'm just kind of brushing here and there, and then take the gold and maybe brush around the edges with the gold. Just to give it a little bit of variation of color. Always looks good. One coming down over here. And I think maybe we'll do a couple more. And then we'll put some berry. I think I'm going to do 5. A lot of times I do 3, but I think they're a little small, so I'm going to do 5. You could also use a cookie cutter if you didn't have the plungers, a holly cookie cutter, and just do the veining with just a veining tool or anything like this. Can see how it makes your lines like so. So if you don't have these awesome tools like I do, you should get some. No. Can never have enough tools. Fun stuff. Okay, so I kind of like odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I'll go with 5, I think. That's what I'm going with right now anyway. Ooh, I got a lot of gold on that one. Wherever it's going to touch is where you need some of the water. And then we'll just do some holly berries with the red. So go back to the red. Just some balls. Okay, so we'll take some water in the center here and probably put just 3 of these right in the center. There's 1. 2, and then 1 more right over here. And we can actually take a little bit of gold and put a little bit of gold on those also. There we go.